Okay, so everyone, welcome to
Challenger
versus Challenge. And today we're just gonna do the burping challenge, which is simple. All we have to do is drink lemonade and see who gets a bigger burp out. And we're gonna do this 5 times. And whoever wins gets to...
You just leave it, do whatever you want in the comments.
Yes, okay. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Okay.
By the way, don't worry and don't pay attention to what's happening back there.
Yeah. Okay, first round. Ready?
Ready? 3, 2.
We can only take one gulp.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yours is bigger.
No.
Mine wasn't?
I don't know. Okay.
You guys didn't say it.
Yeah.
My second one.
Yours is bigger.
Mine was bigger, but yours was longer. So. Okay.
Okay.
Second.
Third round. Fourth round. You was way bigger. In fifth round. Okay, let's just do it till the lemonade finishes. That was like almost even. Ready? That wasn't even a burp, was it?
Yeah, it was. Okay, I'm done. As you can see, that last one was a big thing.
I can't burp. Okay, that's the... I don't know. Well, I think Elio won here.
Okay.
Okay, so comment below who you think won, and...
Even though technically we know I did.
Yeah.
But if you think Allison won, because you, like, have issues. No offense. But, like, she even agreed that I won. So, but if you have issues and you think Allison won, then just comment down below whatever you want.
Okay. Can you do this challenge?
See you later, people.